Today we're going to bring a submersible pump. Now this one has a couple options for different types of holes, if you guys can see that. It has all these three adapters right now, and of course it has suction cups because you could mount it into the bottom of the actual pump itself. So here you actually control the valve, how much water you want to drain out. So this is a perfect way to actually test it out and make sure it's working properly. I will test it out before you put it in any kind of pond or fountain or aquarium. So we are going to use this to take our water out of our aquarium, and this pump is perfect for that because I do have shrimp. I don't want to go in here, so this has a filter. They're very small, so we're going to set them up and see how it works. So let's set up the legs first, and then we're going to set up the pump, and I'm going to show you what kind of hose I'm going to use. So I have a 3/4 hose, if you guys can see. You can find this in any kind of plumbing store or any hardware store too. So I'm going to set this up, and this is perfect because look at that, it has the extra grips in there, and just push it in there. If it's not even, I would suggest you cut the actual hole so it could actually be flush, because this is going to pop out if you don't. All right, and you could add plumbing tape if you want to. It's up to you, your option. All right, if you guys can see, this is my 39-gallon aquarium, and we're gonna actually submerge this, and I'm gonna have a bucket where I'm gonna drain some of the water out. So I'm gonna let it go down to enough where we want to get enough suction of water, and I want to get the dirty water, and put this right here, let it submerge. And then we're gonna get the other end, of course, the other end. All right, we're gonna try it out. So I am gonna plug it in. I did full level. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see how fast this thing is. Plugging it in. Oh, this thing's strong. So look at this. It's taking a bunch of water out, making sure it's sucking all the water. I'm gonna bring it halfway. I did spill some water because this is super strong, all right? So it is working properly. Look at that water flow too. Oh man, gotta clean up this mess too right now. But look at the water flow. Oh, the actual system. I'm gonna fill this bucket up, and then I'm gonna start the next bucket, and so forth. So right now, we're getting a lot of water in here, which is gonna help me out every time I want to clean this pump. I mean the aquarium, I'm sorry. Do round 2 again, and of course the line's right here, so we're draining quick. I mean, I'm gonna have to unplug it right now. Oh, there's a pump right here. You guys can see that, and it's taking all the water out, which is great. That's what we want. It's running perfect. This is where we want to drain out all the water with the pump. Submersible. It's filling my last bucket. If you're ever looking for something to push a lot of water out, this is a perfect way to do it. You can control the valve. I use it mostly to clean out my aquariums. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.